So guys, welcome to yet another vlog. Now I will show to you guys, this is the house I'm going to show you now is a 3-bedroom house with a DSQ that is going for 11.5 million Kenya shillings. I will convert that in dollars in my comment section, and you can see this is the entrance area, and the gate is they have electrified fence, you can see. And these are the houses, you guys. We have 4 units, and I will show you the third unit because it's the one that seems to be ready. The construction is finished, but the final touches are not done yet, so don't mind if you see the little bit of debris in the house that I'm going to show you. But I just want you to have an idea of how much the house is and how much it costs. So this is the house that I'm going to show to you guys. This is how the outside looks like. The main color is gray and white, my favorite colors. This is the outside area. So here we can park like 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 cars max. And then we have plantations on the outside. So I can see there's a space going up. We will check out that what's happening with the upstairs going up. So let's enter into the main house and see how the house looks like, guys. So welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you really love the video. I love the door, it's looking good. Only final touches that are supposed to be done. So this is the entrance, guys. That's the sitting room. It's quite small, I can see. It's quite small with an open air kitchen. All right, the chandeliers are looking good. All the hanging lights, also the side lights are good. The window is big, so that means the natural lighting in this house will be excellent. Sockets everywhere, lightings, and this is it. So this is the open air, open kitchen. Let me show you the sitting room from the angle of the open kitchen. So that is the sitting room. Some call it sitting, some call it living room. So this is it, guys. Going for 11.5 million shillings. I'm trying to be a bit slow so that you can see and have the details of the beautiful house. So this is the kitchen. Wow, it's too tiny. Oh my gosh. But the finishing is not looking so bad. These are the drawers. Okay. And the cabinets. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Alright, that's the sink area. With the window. They have water. Yes. So I think in this area there is no problem with water. Another cabinet here. Oh. The kitchen is a bit tiny, but I think it's okay. So I don't know what this is. Maybe the pantry area. Oh, okay. So let me take you to the bedroom. This is the first bedroom. All right. Switch on the lights. That is basically how the bedroom looks like. I like the black details. The black details are amazing. Alright, allow me some of this. So the kitchen is looking good. The tiles are good. If someone just washes them up, they will look so good. This is the sink and the mirror, some lightings. So that's good. So we go to the main room. Oh, it's a bit tiny. The natural lighting is good. It's a bit tiny, but the natural lighting is looking good. Okay, alright, so that's the wardrobe area. Let's see. Okay. Oops. So you cannot open completely because of that curtain rod. So some space there is not so bad. That's the lights. I love it. So let's go to the next. So that's the first bedroom, guys. This is the second bedroom. The lighting is looking so good. Oh, this bedroom looks bigger than the other one. So I don't know if this is the master bedroom or what. Alright, those are the wardrobes, guys, as you can see. Okay, and the drawers. Oh, quite big. Oh, there's another wardrobe here, so that means this is the master bedroom, I guess. So these are the lights. I don't know what happened here. The finishing is not so good. Oh, that's the alarm. That's an alarm, I guess. All right. Okay. I don't like the finishing of the master bedroom. I've seen some tiny mistakes, but what can we do? It's already finished. All right, the bathroom is a bit big. The shower is looking good. I like that. Okay. The tiles are also good. If they're washed, it will change the perspective of the cleanliness of the place. So yeah, we have water. Yes, that's me. I'm trying to show you the cost of houses here in Mugutha. Mugutha is located in ruiru area, if you've heard of ruiru. So let's go to the third bedroom. But before that, we have an extra toilet here. We have an extra toilet. I forgot to switch off the lights, but I will go as a switch off the lights. Is there water? Perfect, I love that. Okay, there is water. And okay, there is a bathroom here and a toilet. I think it's for the next bedroom that we are going to see. Let me switch on the lights. Okay, so this bedroom, this bathroom is a bit big. It's a bit big. Is there water here in this? Oh, oh yeah, there is water. So that's the bath area, and then this is the toilet area, and then this is the sink. Okay, it's quite big. I love it. Let me switch off the lights. We save power everywhere. So yeah, I think the lights are switched off. This side. Did I switch off the lights? Okay, okay, no. All right, that's good. Saving power. So let's go to the last bedroom. Oh, jeez, is this a toilet or a bedroom? Oh, it's too small. Guys, I feel it's too tiny. Oh my god, it's too tiny, but it's okay. The finishing is not so good, but I'm sure they will work on it because they have not yet done the final touches. This is the wardrobe area. I told you guys not to mind because they haven't finished completely, but at least you have a glimpse of how the room looks like. So yeah, so that's the size of the bedroom from this angle. You can see the natural lighting is good. So let me take you to the other side. So I already showed you this, so let's go and see the outside, how it looks like. So we go out. Okay, what's this? Oh, there's a fourth bedroom here, guys. Oh, so this is a fourth bedroom. There's a wardrobe here, a tiny one. Maybe, and the toilet is here, and the shower also. So this is another bedroom. I'm sure this is not a servant's quarter. I don't know if it's a servant's quarter, I'm not sure. Let's see. So because they said this is a 4-bedroom, so I think this is the 4th bedroom they are talking about. Oh, it's too tiny. It's too tiny, you guys. And why is it outside? I don't know why it is outside. So let's go upstairs. I can see we have some stairs over here. And then I think here you can do your washing from here. Let's go upstairs and see what's there. It's hot. Oh my god. So let's go up and see what's upstairs, guys. I hope you're enjoying my vlogs about these beautiful houses in Mugutha area. This is the stairs area. Water tank. All right, that's the view from outside, from upstairs. So this is the playing area, I guess. You can play from here. You can hang your clothes here. That's a pergola where you can rest. If you'd like to modify it, you can modify it, guys. Oh, and there's another room. So I think this is the servants' DSQ. I think this is the DSQ, guys. That's it, guys. This is it. So this is the servant's house. They call it the DSQ. We call it the DSQ here in Kenya. How do you call it your country. Okay, it's quite spacious, this one, and the bedroom is big, and the view from outside is land, shamba. Someone is planting pumpkins over there. So that is it, guys. This is the servant's room, because downstairs there are 3 bedrooms on the inside of the house and then 1 bedroom on the outside, but just next to the door. And then we have this outside area. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section about this beautiful house that is going for 11.5 million Kenya shillings. And this is it, guys. I think I've shown you a couple of houses here in Mugutha, Ruiru, and one in Juja. Sorry. Okay, I think I've shown you a house here in Mugutha. You've seen in my other vlog the other room for 3 bedroom, and now this is 4 bedroom. And that's it, guys. I am done. I've finished with my vlog. And thank you so much for joining in to watch about these beautiful houses of Mugutha. Would you live here? Let me know in the comment section what you think. And thank you so much. See you on the next one, and I appreciate each and every one of you watching my vlog till the end. Welcome. Beautiful houses, you see? I love them.